Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood South Birmingham. Right, popular car, this SEAT Ibiza. It's a 1.2 TSI. It's an FR Sport Coupe Euro 6 3-door. So 1.2 petrol turbo, 2017. Only 51,000 miles, had the cam belt replaced at 41,000 miles. Service history at 18, 29, 41, 48 and 50,000 miles. Got satellite navigation, DAB radio, Bluetooth. What a lovely little thing. MOT till the 21st of January 2026. Lovely tyres, nice wheels. Beautiful bodywork, clean inside, freezing cold air conditioning, drives very, very, very well. What a lot of fun, little 1.2 petrol turbo. Best one of these I've ever driven. Alloys in nice condition, nice uni-royal tyre. Another nice tyre and a lovely alloy wheel. Not stone chipped or tatty in any way. Super clean inside, we haven't even cleaned it. This is as it came in part exchange. We will give it a quick valet, but you know, it's very, very, very clean and been well looked after. It's the way it should be. Satellite navigation, DAB radio, Bluetooth, plenty of connectivity down there for your phone. Cruise control, flat bottom, multifunction steering wheel, freezing cold air conditioning. Fitted mats in the front there. Haven't cleaned the boot, that's just as it has come. Super clean, tidy little car. Matching uni-royals on the back with lots and lots of tread on, they look new. This price of this car is £7,395 and it's a lovely, lovely example. Got bills for servicing, brakes, etc. Been looked after this. 51,512 miles on the clock. 6-speed manual, lovely and clean. 7395. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk. That's our website. Have a look at our other vehicles in stock. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,000 other car videos we produced over the last couple of years. You can thumb through those. If you'll be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, then you will get a notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You will be one of the first people in the country to know we've just had that car in. Thank you very much for your time today. Goodbye.